Hello. Today we will discuss about the TOPSIS method. The full form of TOPSIS is technique for order preference by similarity to ideal solution. So this is a example of compensatory MCDM methods. In this type of MCDM methods, the result is a fraction that decides among multiple options which one is the best. Okay, so this is our topic of today's lecture. So why multi-criteria decision making? You can watch my previous videos available in my YouTube channel. You can just search my name Mrinmoy Majumdar in YouTube and you can get my YouTube channel from there. I have already shared a lots of videos on multi-criteria decision-making techniques like HP, ANP, Electre, Prometheus, etc. Now, the major reason why multi-criteria decision-making is applied and gaining popularity nowadays is uh, due to the capability of this type of techniques to make trade-offs between the criteria and alternatives explicit and auditable rather than hiding them inside a single composite score. Sorry. Another advantage of MCDM is it can mix units, it can mix polarities, it can include the influence of conflicting criteria into a single decision-making score. And the third benefit is MCDM enables us to make discrete selection. It is not optimization. It is not searching for the best solution within a domain. It is that you already have the solution now, or rather I will say solutions, and you have to find out which one is the best. This is more closer to the realistic decision making problems that we face in our day-to-day problems, day-to-day activities, right? So as an example of multi-criteria decision-making techniques, TOPSIS provides a transparent numeric way to rank such alternatives by their relative geometric closeness to the best achievable performance and the greatest separation from the worst, right? So it basically compares with the ideal solution and the available solution, not only from the positive aspect, but also from the negative aspect. You'll understand what I am telling or what I am explaining when we go through a workout or go through a example problem. Okay. So the full name I have already discussed, technique for order preference. This is important by similarity. This is very important by similarity to ideal solutions, both in the positive direction and also in the negative direction. Basically, TOPSIS is a compensatory method a strong score on one criterion can offset a weaker score on another, weighted by the analyst's preference structure. The TOPSIS was first introduced by Wang and Un in the year of 1981, and it always compares with the ideal solution, both in the positive sense and negative sense. I am repeatedly saying both in the positive and negative. But what are they? What is the ideal solution? That we will understood or we will understand when we go for that practical example. Okay. So generally, TOPSIS works on a geometric intuition, and it tries to find out the distance from the positive solution and also from the negative solution. And then its closeness is calculated with the help of a score ranging from 0 to 1, and then ranking is made. More the higher the closeness coefficient, closer is the solution towards the ideal solution, and it is selected as the best solution, which have the maximum closeness coefficient. So you'll all understand what I am saying later on when I go for a example. This is overall